Hi, this is Craig Resnick coming to you from the 2020 ARC Advisory Group Orlando Forum. With me today is my special guest, Rashesh Mody. He's the Senior Vice President of the Monitoring and Control Unit at AVEVA. Welcome today, Rashesh.
Thank you. Thank you for hosting us.
Certainly the theme of the forum is digital transformation. I know AVEVA's been doing a great job with helping their customers progress with their digital transformation journey. So what are some of the specific stories or successes that your customers have had? What are some of the solutions that they've been purchasing regarding from AVEVA from digital transformation?
Excellent. The digital transformation is our number one priority. And we are coming back in from engineering, maintenance, and operation portfolio. So first thing is we are integrating all those portfolio areas into one cohesive offering. And one of the prime area is Unified Operation Center. This brings connections from all the plant floor connectivity. It's connecting all the IT systems. It's connecting all the people in the plant and ultimately providing collaboration. This Unified Operation Center is for oil and gas industry, midstream, infrastructure, power, metal mining. So all the various industries, we are putting this Unified Operation Center for key digital transformation.
Big common theme of the forum has certainly been edge hardware, edge software, edge solutions. So I guess what is AVEVA's solution offering and portfolio regarding edge? And are these solutions that you're really providing your customers now? Are they buying them? Are you helping them, let's say, with edge to cloud connectivity?
Absolutely. In fact, AVEVA's edge answer is AVEVA Edge portfolio. So if you look at the whole portfolio in the operations area, it starts from connecting all the I/O points, collecting data, visualizing, operating, analyzing, and integrating all this information. So our AVEVA Edge provides this end-to-end complete portfolio in this one single offering. In fact, this week, we announced our lean digital platform as well. And this offering allows plant floor application right on from the edge solution.
So we've been hearing a lot about disruptive technologies at this forum, and a lot of your customers have been talking about how they've been affected by disruptive technologies and how do they respond. How are you assisting your customers when they come to you with some of the disruptive technologies challenges and try to convert those problems into opportunities?
Sure. So there are some of the highlights on key technologies. So if I start with artificial intelligence and machine learning. So we are infusing AI and ML into all our product sets. So you're talking about SCADA, so AI will be infused there. If you're talking about predictive analytics, AI will be infused there. You're talking about supply chain, AI will be there. So in every aspect of our portfolio, AI will be infused there. So AI is playing absolutely a key role in decision making, in predictive analytics, and making more efficient operations. Second part is it's all XR or multi-experience areas. So you're talking about augmented reality, virtual reality, all those pieces coming together, whether it's a handheld device, mobile device, or HoloLens, all of these things, we are putting our software using those technologies. Third important, if you heard in most of the customer discussions about mobility, because many customer allows you to now bring your own device on the plant floor. So how do you provide appropriate application, security, and access for operators so they can be mobile and provide right information to right person and right device with the right context. So I believe these three technology and augmented by cloud is become very important. So we allow cloud, you'll be able to run operations. You can have download and send a configuration. You could have a running on the edge, or you can have hybrid. So we provide all those different combination in our offerings as well.
With the lot of retirement of the baby boomers, the plants have less qualified personnel to provide a lot of the services that they may have done in-house. So they're putting more weight on their automation and enterprise suppliers to provide those services. How is AVEVA helping your customers in regard for the services?
So this is an excellent question. So what we have is, so if all our releases we are announcing this week and our all products, we are focusing on key 4 themes. One is flexibility. So can we allow flexible architecture, flexible from technical perspective, flexible from commercial perspective, and flexibility across the board for making your operations much more efficient. Second part of all this about the workers' education is about collaboration. because the person has knowledge and person in training. How do we collaborate them together? How do we collaborate between IT and OT, collaborate between maintenance and engineering? So we are creating tools in making the collaboration. Third part of this education and services is all about improved visualization. And this expanded visibility is becoming more and more important because you want to have the same amount of engineering you design and graphics would be showing up in a mobile platform, or it could be a desktop platform, could be a cloud platform, could be your any application. So we allow customers to do engineer once, build once, and then use it everywhere. So there are core capabilities, all of these 3-4 areas, and augmented with our service or our eco partner system. We have partners of 4,000 plus system integrated partners. They help customers to deploy all this new technology on their plant floor. So that's how we join portfolio, services, and support all together.
You know, and another aspect of solutions today is, everybody's looking, of course, for the fastest ROI, and sometimes what it does is customers will say, I need to shift budget from, say, the CapEx side of the budget to the OpEx side of the budget, which might mean changing models from, say, purchasing software on a license model to a subscription model. How is Aviva helping your customers in that regard as far as shifting over to subscriptions?
Oh, it's very, very going well. In fact, last ARC conference, we announced a whole new model, commercial flexibility called Aviva Flex. In fact, we were with you that time, and Aviva Flex deployed that time. And since the last April, it's becoming extremely successful. It is going very well among the customers, whether it's the small municipality or large enterprise organization. Aviva Flex is becoming now a way of buying new software. And what we have done is customer get access to full our portfolio. They have access to our HMI SCADA portfolio, they have operations portfolio, maintenance portfolio, and our engineering portfolio, all under one umbrella, and with a very simple way to commercially transact. So we really allows them to, or enables them to use our software with a very simple mechanism. And I think it's becoming very, very popular.
Well, it sounds like it's been well received.
Thank you. And absolutely you helped us to get the message to our customers and community, and it's becoming very, very accepted. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And my special guest today was Rashesh Mody, Senior Vice President of the Monitoring and Control Business for Aviva. I'm Craig Resnick, coming to you from the 2020 ARC Advisory Group Orlando Forum. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you.